Hi there. Going to get right into this. I bet you spent a lot of time, money, energy, effort, blood, sweat, and tears to try to get ahead in business. Let me introduce myself. My name is Jim Blake. I've been in business for 22 years. And in that time, I've learned a lot about business and also a lot about what it doesn't work in business and a lot about how you can spend a lot of money and not get any results. Now that may sound like a strange way to start a promotional video, but at the end of the day, you might be in that same situation. And I want to tell you that a year ago, I actually started on a new platform that I've been using in my business that's been a complete game changer. And if you would like a game-changing business that's ultra affordable, ultra effective, and delivers results by helping you to get more leads, to convert leads into customers, and to increase your sales, then you're going to want to click on the link that's in the description of this video, and you're going to hop over to a page and it will tell you more about this great platform that has been a game changer in my business. I've made it brief so that you won't lose your attention, but the key here is it's a game changer. It's been a game changer in my business after 22 years in business, and that should tell you something. And it should be a game changer in your business as long as you get involved, take action, sign up right away, get a 50% discount for life, and we will actually hold your hand through the whole process, give you step-by-step training to ensure that you don't just have a tool, don't just have a platform, but you actually have the full support that you need to succeed. So if that's something very interesting to you, click on the link in the description of this video and plug into our training, tools, and support system that will help you to take your business to the next level.